Hello, we are jumping right into the home office makeover, and while I have to admit this isn't the most aesthetically pleasing makeover, it is extremely affordable, budget friendly, and functional. So if you are new around here, yes, I love when aesthetics and functionality can coexist, but for now, we wanted to do the simple quick fix and utilize the space that we have. With that being said, I do have a few other room makeovers in the works behind the scenes that are both pretty and practical, so if you do like room makeovers, DIY, and that sort of thing, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell so you're notified when I do upload those videos. The main purpose of this makeover was to better utilize our third bedroom, so we are transforming that room behind the scenes into a cozy guest bedroom, and then we are also working on a dining room makeover. So we needed my old office desk for that makeover, and with moving my office into our laundry room, doubling up the functionality of the space, I wanted to really downsize my office. I am no longer needing all of the things that I had in my office. Therefore, we are going to have to do some major decluttering in here, but the first step was getting a smaller desk space. And I really wanted the ability to get some exercise in while working, as sitting at a desk all the time is just not good for our overall health. I found this adjustable office desk from Wayfair and absolutely loved, again, the functionality, the price, and I don't think it's awful looking, but it's also not giving Studio McGee & Co. vibes. So we're gonna put this new desk together, get my computer and editing area put together as well. I had some work to do. I would love to know if you are someone who works from home. Let me know in the comments. So this office desk is adjustable. You can use it sitting down or adjust the height to walk on a walking pad. And y'all, I've been using this walking pad for about a month now, and I'm totally loving this new setup in my office space. This walking pad is voted #1 on Amazon, and I got it on sale like 60% off, so very happy about that. And as I'm filming this voiceover, it is actually 68% off, so I'll be sure to link it all down below in the description, but just know it does go on sale, and Amazon Prime Day is also coming up here, so be sure to follow me over on Instagram, as I'll be sharing the best deals there, as well as some of my favorite home finds. Now, I do a lot of editing and computer work as a content creator and influencer, so I'm excited to be able to get some steps in while I'm working. Now, some frequently asked questions that I have received in regards to this walking pad are these. #1 is how much is it? There is 2 different options. We bought the more expensive one, as again, got it on sale. It was like $50 more, and it has more features like being able to walk faster. It has the bar that raises and lowers, so you can use it elsewhere if you wanted to. And overall, it was just what was best for me and my wants and needs. The second question I got is it sturdy? Now, it's not a treadmill, so it's definitely not as sturdy as like a huge treadmill would be, but again, it does what I need it to do, and it is sturdy enough for me. I walk on mine for about an hour a day. The third question was, is the price worth it? Depends what you get it for, truthfully. Is it worth $700? Honestly, no, I wouldn't pay that, but I hate paying full price for anything, so that's kind of that. I definitely do think it's worth half of that though, and I think that this comes down to preference as well as your budget. Lastly is, how do you move it? This was a huge pro for me. It is actually very light and easy to move, but again, still sturdy. Because I use mine often, I just keep it beside my chair when it's not in use. However, we do have a spot in our crawl space that I could easily move it in and out of. If you guys do have any questions about it or my new office setup, drop them down below in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Again, I'll also have everything linked down below. Thank you for choosing to support me and my channel when shopping my links. Moving on to our bedroom here, they needed a good clean, so we're going to start off here in the primary bedroom, get these beds made, and wipe all of the surfaces.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that the sweet
As you can see, we're moving through our bedroom and using my favorite non-toxic multi-surface spray from Sage to clean all of our bedroom furniture. There was a lot of dust that had accumulated, so it was time to do that as well as tackle the floors.
Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
We did a bedroom makeover within the last year here, and I am so happy with how it's coming along. I can link that video down below if you haven't seen it, as it has the before and after. Some changes we made was we actually sanded down and refinished our hardwood floors throughout the whole house, rather than replacing them with LVP. And then we painted the inside, all of the walls, and all of the trim. Now, we live in a 1960s fixer-upper house, and transforming and DIYing it has been so much fun over the last 9 months. Of course, my goal is to completely transform every room eventually, but home does take time, and it's fun to be able to share this process on here with you guys, so just thank you for being here. My number one goal with our bedroom makeover, and really all of them, is to brighten up the space without getting all new furniture, trying to utilize what we currently have and create just a more cohesive, natural, organic, modern feel, all while keeping it on a budget. So I have a lot of stipulations. While our primary bedroom is still a work in progress, I think it's important to slow down, enjoy that process, and soak in your home the way it is right here, right now. It's also easy to get caught up in the comparison game, and I truly hope that when you come here and leave my channel, you feel inspired and motivated rather than depleted and feeling less than. Moving on to my kids' shared bedroom, my husband did a complete makeover in here in June when I was away visiting my parents, and I like to call this the fun room. It has the most color, and my kids just love and adore it because they picked the colors. It's fun to allow them to feel included in the design process as we are DIYing and making over our whole house. And this was a space I just kind of let go of the idea of it being perfect and Pinterest worthy. And I have to say, as someone who thinks a neutral home is incredible, I absolutely adore their bedroom, color and all. And yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you prefer a neutral colored home or like colorful spaces, maybe bold spaces? I'd love to know what your favorite interior design style is.
Didn't call you off for another. I didn't cross the line for the bottle. Take me back. Take me back. I know I messed it up like your father. You know you shouldn't care, but you bother. Take me back. Take me back. Don't leave me back, 'cause now I see it clear. Don't leave me, all I want is to be here. Don't go, 'cause all I need is right here. With you, it feels like everything is so real.
If you're needing some more home inspiration and motivation, I share a lot of cleaning and homemaking motivational videos, so make sure that you are subscribed if you have not already. I will link some more videos here on the screen, as this one ended up actually being really short once I cut it down. So thank you so much for being here, and we will see you in my next video. Bye!